Top 3 best seafood to rebuild muscles fast. What if I told you that the right seafood could help your muscles recover faster, grow stronger, and even reduce soreness after your workouts? Every time you lift weights, go for a run, or stay physically active, tiny muscle fibers break down. That might sound bad, but it's actually the first step toward building stronger muscles. The problem is that your muscles can't rebuild themselves without the right nutrients. And that's where seafood comes in. Some types of seafood aren't just loaded with protein, they're also packed with essential amino acids, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals that help repair muscle tissue, reduce inflammation, improve recovery, and support lean muscle growth. In today's video, I'll reveal the top 3 best seafoods to rebuild muscles fast, explain why each one works, and show you the healthiest way to prepare them for maximum muscle building benefits. Make sure you watch until the end, because the third seafood is one of the leanest, highest protein muscle building foods, and many people completely overlook it. Number 1. Salmon. Salmon is one of the best seafood choices you can eat if your goal is to rebuild muscles, recover faster after workouts, and improve overall strength. It is packed with high-quality complete protein, which means it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to repair and build new muscle tissue. Every time you perform strength training, lift weights, or engage in intense physical activity, tiny muscle fibers experience microscopic damage. This is a normal part of the muscle building process, but those fibers need enough protein and amino acids to recover properly. Without adequate nutrition, your muscles cannot repair efficiently or grow stronger. Salmon provides the building blocks your body needs to support this process naturally. One of salmon's biggest advantages is its rich supply of omega-3 fatty acids, especially EPA and DA. Research has shown that omega-3s may help reduce exercise-induced inflammation and muscle soreness, allowing many people to recover more comfortably between workouts. Less inflammation can also support better training consistency because your muscles are able to recover more efficiently. Healthy omega-3 fats also play a role in supporting muscle protein synthesis, the process your body uses to build new muscle tissue after exercise. This makes salmon more than just a source of protein. It provides nutrients that help your muscles make better use of that protein. Salmon is also an excellent source of vitamin D, selenium, and several B vitamins. Vitamin D contributes to normal muscle function and may help maintain muscle strength, while selenium acts as an antioxidant that helps protect muscle cells from oxidative stress caused by intense physical activity. B vitamins support energy metabolism by helping your body convert the food you eat into usable energy during exercise and recovery. For the healthiest preparation, bake or grill salmon with a small amount of extra virgin olive oil, fresh garlic, lemon juice, and herbs instead of deep frying or using heavy creamy sauces. Pair it with brown rice, sweet potatoes, or steamed vegetables for a balanced meal that provides protein, complex carbohydrates, and important micronutrients to support muscle rebuilding and long-term recovery. Number 2. Tuna. Tuna is another excellent seafood choice for rebuilding muscles because it is naturally rich in high-quality lean protein while being low in saturated fat and calories. Protein is the most important nutrient for repairing muscle fibers that are stressed during exercise. After every strength training session or intense workout, your muscles need a steady supply of amino acids to recover and grow stronger. Tuna provides all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein that helps support muscle repair and the development of lean muscle mass. A single serving of tuna delivers a large amount of protein, making it an ideal meal for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and anyone looking to improve muscle strength without consuming excess fat. One of the key nutrients found in tuna is leucine, an essential branched-chain amino acid, or BCAA. Leucine plays a major role in activating muscle protein synthesis, the natural process your body uses to build new muscle tissue after exercise. Studies suggest that consuming high-quality protein rich in leucine after resistance training helps maximize muscle recovery and supports long-term muscle growth. Tuna also contains other important amino acids that work together to repair damaged muscle fibers, reduce recovery time, and help maintain muscle mass as you age. This makes it a valuable food not only for bodybuilders, but also for older adults who want to preserve healthy muscles. Tuna is also packed with important nutrients such as selenium, vitamin B12, niacin, and vitamin B6. Selenium acts as a powerful antioxidant that helps protect muscle cells from oxidative stress caused by intense physical activity. Vitamin B12 supports the formation of healthy red blood cells, which carry oxygen to working muscles during exercise, while vitamin B6 helps your body efficiently use protein and produce energy from the food you eat. For the healthiest option, choose fresh grilled tuna or canned light tuna packed in water instead of oil, and avoid heavily processed or high-sodium varieties. Pair tuna with brown rice, quinoa, sweet potatoes, or whole grain bread, along with fresh vegetables, to create a balanced meal that provides protein, complex carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals your muscles need for faster recovery, greater strength, and long-term lean muscle growth. Number 3. Shrimp. Shrimp is one of the leanest and most protein-rich seafood choices you can include in your diet if your goal is to rebuild muscles, recover faster, and support lean muscle growth. Although shrimp is low in calories and fat, it provides an impressive amount of high-quality complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to repair and build muscle tissue. After resistance training or any strenuous physical activity, your muscles rely on these amino acids to recover from microscopic damage and become stronger over time. Because shrimp is easy to digest and naturally low in saturated fat, it is an excellent protein source for people who want to increase muscle mass without consuming excess calories. Another important benefit of shrimp is its rich supply of selenium, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect muscle cells from oxidative stress caused by intense exercise. Hard workouts increase the production of free radicals, which can contribute to muscle fatigue and slow recovery if left unchecked. Selenium supports your body's natural antioxidant defense system, helping reduce cellular damage and promoting healthier muscle recovery. Shrimp is also an excellent source of vitamin B12, which helps produce healthy red blood cells that transport oxygen to working muscles. Better oxygen delivery supports endurance during exercise and helps muscles recover more efficiently after training sessions. In addition, shrimp contains phosphorus, an essential mineral that contributes to healthy bones and plays an important role in energy production and normal muscle function. Shrimp also contains astaxanthin, a natural antioxidant responsible for its pink color. Research suggests that astaxanthin may help reduce exercise-induced inflammation and support faster recovery by protecting muscle cells from oxidative damage. For the healthiest preparation, lightly sauté shrimp with extra virgin olive oil, fresh garlic, lemon juice, and herbs, or grill or steam it instead of deep frying. Avoid heavy cream sauces and excessive salt, which can add unnecessary calories and sodium. Pair shrimp with brown rice, quinoa, whole grain pasta, or sweet potatoes, along with colorful vegetables, to provide the carbohydrates, fiber, vitamins, and minerals your muscles need for recovery. When combined with regular strength training, adequate hydration, and quality sleep, shrimp becomes a nutritious, high-protein seafood that can help support muscle repair, improve recovery, and promote long-term lean muscle development.